Hey, why did the Smartsheet cell break up with the Smartsheet row? Ready for this? Because it felt too boxed in and needed some space to navigate. All right, that was really funny. Now let's get back to business and I'm gonna do the tutorial for you. We're gonna go through Smartsheet's navigation. Now we're gonna start with the home icon in the top left here. This is the starting point for all Smartsheet activities. Clicking this icon takes you to your main dashboard. And under the home section, the suggested for you area highlights template sheets or reports that Smartsheet recommends based on recent activities or common workflows. Next is the notification section. Now under the All tab shows every notification you've received across all Smartsheet items. Okay, so it's a comprehensive list. The Request tab, however, filters the notifications to only show requests for approvals, updates, or other actions that require your immediate attention. This is especially useful for managing tasks where you need to provide input or make decisions for your team. Next is the Browse File folder icon to the left. The Browse section functions like a file manager, allowing you to navigate through all your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces you have access to. Okay, so this is where you're going to live most of the time, and also your recents in here. Okay, now let's hop over to recent. As you can see, the clock icon over here, this section shows the most recent sheets, reports, dashboards, or workspaces that you have access. It's a quick way to jump back into your most recent work without needing to search. All right, now the favorites. In the previous video, I showed you how to mark a sheet as favorites, and it's simply by just clicking the star icon to the right of the actual sheet name. So I uncheck that, and when I go to favorites, as you can see, it disappeared. Now let's check this now, and if you go back in here, it's back. Next is WorkApps. WorkApps is this here to the left. So WorkApps are custom applications built within Smartsheet that help streamline workflows. These apps are typically designed for specific use cases, allowing users like yourself to access only Smartsheet data and tools they need for their role. So this is very customized here, and as you can see, I don't see any under my name, and that's because I am using a free account. So these are one of the limitations with having a free account. Next is the create icon, the plus sign here. The plus icon is your gateway to creating new items in Smartsheet. Clicking this icon opens options to create a new sheet, report, dashboard, or workspace. Okay, and you do not have to start from scratch. As you can see, you can create new here, but you don't have to start from scratch. You can pick from any of these Smartsheet templates. All right, next we are going to go to Apps Launcher, the grid icon. The Apps Launcher is a central hub for accessing Smartsheet apps and integrations, as well as third-party tools that integrate with Smartsheet. It's your one-stop shop for extending the functionality of Smartsheet through other applications. One of my favorites, Smartsheet is great at providing support and providing tutorials for their products. Now the last section is your account profile section. As you can see, I can upgrade my package from here, look up my plan and billing information, user management, group management information. You can configure your personal settings. You can look at the different apps and integrations that are currently integrated or connected to your Smartsheet instance. You can also personalize your Smartsheet using the personalized colors and logo section or configuration settings here. Smartsheet contacts, that's your contact information, so make sure that you fill this out. Last but not least, we're going to cover the search bar, top right section here. This is a great way for you to search for sheets, reports, dashboards that you've built or you have access to. After a while, you're going to end up with hundreds or maybe thousands of workspaces of Smartsheets in here, so it's going to become very difficult to have to scroll through a list of workspaces or Smartsheets here. So the best way is to just search. If you know the name, part of the name, just do a quick search here. All right, so the last section here is this icon here, the megaphone icon, the send us feedback icon. So this is a simple form that you can fill out to provide Smartsheet feedback, recommendations, or any bugs. You want to report a bug as well, you can use this for that. Okay, so, and they do read this, so you'll get a notification as soon as you submit one of these. That wraps things up. I hope you enjoyed the content and the joke as well. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like for this video, and make sure to click the bell icon because I have 20 plus more videos coming up. I'll see you again. Take care.